Most accountants use AI like a search box. Strategic accountants build a clone. Let me say something that might bother you a little. Most accountants think they already use AI. They open ChatGPT. They type a question, they get an answer, done. But here's the problem. That's not really using AI. That's just using a search box. Every time you start a chat, you have to explain everything again. Your question, your context, the result you need, and what do you get back? Something general, not what you really need, at least not in the first few prompts. That's not how a strategic accountant works, and it's not how they use AI. A strategic accountant does not ask random questions. A strategic accountant builds a clone. What is a clone? It's an AI that already knows you. It knows your work and what you need. Once it knows you, your work, and your needs, it stops being a search box. It starts working for you. And if you're a finance professional, here's what that means. It helps you work faster. It gives you the insight your decision makers want. It gets your work done. In the words your bosses want to hear. Here's a truth I learned from professionals who sit on management teams in Saudi Arabia. You don't get into the room with the CEO just because your numbers are right. Right is expected. You get into that room when you can take those numbers and tell people what they mean. That's the gap. And it's the gap that the people who shape your career care about most. A clone helps you close it. So let me leave you with one question. Are you using AI like every other accountant, just typing into a search box? Or are you building something that knows your business and works like a CFO? That one change from search box to clone is the difference. The difference between the person who reports the numbers and the person who leads the room. If this made you see AI in a new way, subscribe to the channel.